Hello, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11. In this video I'll show you where is the file manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, divided on categories like Recent, Downloads, Images, Videos, Audio, Documents and Others, Apps. Then you can check your collections like Favorites and Save Folder, and internal storage itself. If you go clean, you've got access to tool that clean junk files from your tab. And then you can use Nearby Share to send and receive files quickly. If you go to menu, you've got access to Recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.